Hannover Messe 2026 has been a super exciting week for us. Our main theme for this year's event has been Built for Industrial AI. In our conversations, we're seeing really four primary trends shaping the manufacturing industry. The first is around physical and digital worlds truly converging. And the reason for that is what we see happening in manufacturing is actually around physical goods and how AI is being deployed in the manufacturing facilities, putting intelligence and putting automation in the hands of the manufacturers. The second trend we're seeing is how physical AI systems and agentic systems are scaling across the manufacturing operations. And this is important because it's addressing real business challenges. It's about reducing downtime, it's about moving from manual decision-making to automation and then to autonomous decision-making using agentic systems. The third trend is, of course, around data. Talking about agentic systems, talking about AI, scaling AI is great, but ultimately the foundation layer needs to be in place. Manufacturers historically had data sitting in their silos. Working with AWS, we bring industrial data foundation. We talk about how we are connecting their data across their enterprise. This is crucial for them to be able to extract the value that's relevant for their enterprise. The fourth trend that we're seeing in this year's event is, of course, increased focus on sovereignty. When it comes to sensitive workloads, some of our European customers are looking for a sovereign solution to leverage cloud. And this is where our investment that we have made earlier in this year with the European Sovereign Cloud, a 7.8 billion euro investment that we put in Europe. I'm really excited to see how we're going to work with our customers and partners in the next 12 months. 2026 is all about scaling AI and industrial AI, and AWS and Amazon is going to be part of this journey together with our customers. Looking forward to meeting everyone next year.